Hey there everyone, hope you are doing great. Today I will show you how to create a Meta Business Manager account on your Facebook profile. This is Min Lucas and let me tell you why you should create a business manager. You can use a Meta Business Manager account to manage your marketing channels such as Facebook business page, Instagram accounts, and Meta ad campaigns from one dashboard. A Meta Business Manager account can help you keep your business secure by making it more difficult to hack your Facebook page. You can use a Meta Business Manager account to share your assets with partners and your team as well. You can use Facebook Pixel on Business Manager to gain marketing insights. You can track all the conversions and optimize your ads accordingly. For some people, it might sound like it's really tough to create a business manager, but it ain't that difficult. So, first of all, you have to go to business.facebook.com on your address bar. So, business.facebook.com and enter. After that, you have to give the portfolio the business name, your name, and the business email. So let's say my business name is Focus and dot, and my name, that is my dummy name actually, and this is the, let's say my business manager Mark STRNGO at markstrong@gmail.com. So the thing is, we have to give the business email over here. So we will be getting the verification from that email actually. So I will be submitting here. You have to click on submit, and then you have to wait a little bit to process. Okay, so now I have to confirm my email address. Let's click done on here, and I will be going on my email. Yeah, there you go. The Facebook confirm my business email. That's how you can easily create a business manager and keep your assets secure from hacking and other risks. If you find anything difficult, feel free to comment, and we are always here to help. You can also purchase a high limit business manager from us along with Facebook page and profiles. You can visit our website to explore more service we offer to our valued clients. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.